Good morning, my dear students. Today in English grammar, we will do articles. We know articles means use of a and the. So first, let's compare a and n. We use a before words which begin with consonants. As we already know, there are 26 letters in English. 26 alphabets are there, A to Z, and out of 26, 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And except these 5 vowels, all other letters are consonants. So we use a before words which begin with consonants. For example, a doctor, a big car, a girl. We also use a before you when it sounds like the word you, when you sounds like you only, and before eu. As you can see, sounds like you starts with u. University, the sound of u is u, university. If you say umbrella, umbrella, umbra, here the sound of u is not u, here the sound of u is a. So basically when you sounds, its initial sound means you sounds like you, we use a before that, a university. And sounds like you starts with u, eu, a European. It starts with e but sound is u, a European city. We use n before words which begin with vowels, and vowels are a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an interesting film. We also use n before words that begin with a silent h whenever there in spelling the sound of h is silent. For example, r, h-o-u-r, r, but we are not getting the sound of h. So what we will use? N, because we are getting the sound of vowel. And like house, here house, her, we are getting the sound of h, that's why we put a here, a house. Now next let's compare an and the. So Mary, I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. Mary is saying, I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. Joe, was the CD player expensive? We usually use a or an with a noun to talk about a person or thing for the first time. When we talk about a person or thing about a noun first time, we use a or an. Like a CD player. So when Mary was saying I bought a CD player, that means she was talking, she was informing first time about a CD player. And we usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again. Then Joe said again, he repeats, so that's why the CD player, the one that Mary bought. So we are, Joe is discussing, Joe is telling about the CD player that Mary bought. That means again, next time, second time, when we talk about the thing, we use the. However, there are some special uses of a, n and the. We use an with prices, frequencies and speeds. Frequency, I drink about 3 cups of coffee a day. So he's telling, or she's telling, I drink about 3 cups of coffee a day. This is the frequency. Speeds, you are driving at 90 miles an hour. We use an before 100,000 and million. For example, 100 people, 1,000 days. We use an for talking about jobs. For example, I am a teacher, I am a bank manager, I am a doctor. So before telling our profession, we use a. We use the when there is only one of something, as we know the moon, the sun. So may I turn on the TV? Now अगर if you are talking about TV, may I turn on the TV? तो एक रूम में एक ही TV होगा obvious है. So may I turn on the TV? Where is Mary? She is in the kitchen. तो kitchen घर में कितना होता है? Mostly एक ही होता है. She is in the kitchen. We use the with musical instruments. I play the guitar. Jane play the violin. So before musical instrument we use the, right? I hope this is clear to you, and when we will do book exercise it will be more clear to you, concept will be clear to you. Till then, bye, take care everyone.